Lesson 6.3 is on pages 232 through 236, and it is working on creating line and map charts. So you will go to Schoology and download the 6.3 source document. You will then open it and save it as 6.3 Olympic results. Step 4A. Insert 2 rows above row 1. Step 4B, type the title Olympic Games Viewing in cell A1. Step 4C, merge and center cell A1 across columns A through E and change your font size to 20. Step 4D, bold rows 1 and 3. Step 4E, apply a thick bottom border to cells A3 through E3. Step 4F, change the page orientation to landscape. Step 4G, scale the sheet to fit 1 page wide. Step 5, select cells D3 through E11 and go to the Insert tab, Charts group, and from the Maps drop-down menu, select Filled Map. Position the chart under the data, and then type the chart title, number of viewers in millions, and change that font size to 20. Step 6, select cells A3 through B11. From our Insert tab, Charts group, choose Insert Line or Area Chart and go to More Line Charts and then select Line with Markers Chart and click OK. Step 6C, position the chart under the data like you can see on page 236. Change the font size of the chart title to 20. Save your document and submit on Schoology.